Is this thing on? Okay, good. Now let's get this recording started. Hi guys, it's me, Square, and tonight I'm gonna catch Mike snoring on video. Hehe. Just to let you know, the others are not here today and Mike is already drifting off to sleep, and I don't want Mike to get groggy and tired when I wake him up, but that doesn't matter, so let's go to Mike's room, shall we? Well, here we are at Mike's room, and as you can see that Mike is snoring. Let's watch. Hehe. Watch me tickle Mike with a blue feather. Well, that didn't work, but he's still sleeping. Sorry everyone. I know he's still snoring, but what if I turn on his lamp? Hey, that's perfect. I'll do it. Ha 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 ha. I caught you snoring, Mike. Well, that's it for tonight. See you later for me.